अपनी फेवरेट फिल्मों के बारे में जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फिल्म कंपेनियन लोकल पर। बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आप एक भी अपडेट मिस न करें।
See, you can call me Baman because I'm friendly and I don't have any airs, but you please call Arshad sir because he's older. Yeah, that's about it.
And besides, I know you have no respect for Baman, so Baman is just fine. You can call him anything actually. Actually, Baman reacts to anything.
ये कॉम्बिनेशन वापस आया है बॉस, इसके साथ ही शुरू करेंगे। अर्शद, feelings, thoughts the minute you knew that Boman's going to be part of this, क्या मतलब पहला थॉट क्या था?
अभी मैं just want to let you know कि अभी से जो मैं बात करना शुरू करूंगा ना, ये सवाल खत्म होने तक मैं सिर्फ झूठ बोलता रहूंगा, ठीक है? It was a pleasure. I was so happy. So for me, you know, there are people that you have a comfort level.
हाँ जी.
It's like that with Baman. I have a super comfort level. He insults me, I insult him, and we just want. So yes, it was nice. Plus क्या था ना रोहिणी, हम लोग सारे लोग लॉकडाउन में थे. There's a sense of depression that had set in somewhere, you know. And उसके बाद the first job they're going to do, तो वो 10 बार तो सोचना पड़ता है कि करें कि नहीं करें. बट यहाँ पे बोला चलो बमन है, एक बहुत ही प्यारा शो है. तो it was, as I said, it's always a pleasure. Baman is a bizarre breed. बहुत rarely ऐसे आते हैं. तो ये वन पीस है, इसको बाद में यहाँ से निकाल के म्यूजियम में डालेंगे. और इसके दिमाग में मैं रिसर्च करने वाला हूँ कि ऐसे लोग क्यों नहीं बनते हैं. God made Baman na, and then he saw how he came out. He said, "That's it, no more of this kind."
One of a kind only. Well, that was amazing. It's like मैंने तो सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए ये सवाल पूछा था, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये शो जो है, it would be the roast of Baman Irani. This is pretty amazing.
Actually, when you say Baman na, insults come out automatically.
बमन आपकी बारी है.
तो मैं क्या कहूँ?
बमन कुछ मत बोल.
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा बिकॉज मुझे झूठ बोलना आता नहीं है.
और सच तो डेफिनेटली मत बोलना.
और अर्शद ने कहा whatever I'm saying till now will be lies, so he's lied till now. Everything is the opposite. तो जब शो आया मेरे पास, so I said who's going to be the co. Yeah, this is Arshad. I said I'm not doing the show.
I celebrated that day.
You say anything, I'm not, you say what you want, I'm not doing the show. Then they said how much they want to pay me. I said I'm doing the show.
Fantastic. You know, co-host के साथ हमेशा ये vibe होना जरूरी है. Let's take you back to a time जब ऐसा कोई co-host, you don't even name anybody because that's not what we're here for. लेकिन यार बहुत important होता है कि कोई line का भूखा ना हो, पैसों के लिए ज्यादा मतलब bargain ना करता हो, या कहे कि light मुझ पे अच्छा नहीं आ रहा. Let's go back to a time जब शायद ऐसे हुआ होगा.
Actually, I don't need to go back. It's Arshad only. Why do you want to go back, Arshad?
नहीं तो बमन क्या कहा अर्शद ने कि मैं क्योंकि स्टार हूँ, मुझे ज्यादा लाइट चाहिए. Let's go to that situation exactly.
मैं एक बात बताऊं. This is such a गलत फहमी. It's such a thing कि ज्यादा लाइट देने से अरशद वारसी will look better. Try. बड़े HMI लेके आओ, 50 HMI, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला.
मुझे अभी रियलाइज हो रहा है कि मुझे ये शो में पैसे दिए थे बेइज्जत होने के लिए, होस्ट करने के लिए नहीं दिए थे. बोले बमन है वो तुम्हारे बेइज्जती करेगा तुम्हारी, इसलिए खड़ा रहो. मैं बोला ठीक है.
लाइट देने से कुछ नहीं होता है. रोहिणी, ये तो बात चलती रहेगी. We'll keep talking like this for the rest of the interview. But if you want to say something substantive, something with substance, ask me those questions.
Fantastic. All right, इस segment पर हम जानेंगे कि how comfortable और how fun is social media for the both of you, because आप जिस घर में हैं, इस घर में इतने सारे लोग हैं जो social media influencers हैं. So I'm going to start with you, Baman. सबसे पहले, an Instagram trend that you hate.
I don't know. I'm dispassionate about these things. I don't believe in hating anything. I don't go crazy about anything. I have other things to love, but Instagram is, I suppose, fun. I don't know what it is to hate something, honestly. But yeah, I really don't know. I mean, why should you get, somebody passes some remark? I mean, good luck to him. I don't know what to say.
What is it to hate somebody? You have destroyed my feelings.
Darling, I love you, darling. You're pulling it out of me. It's because I love you. I don't pull people's legs. Ye hakikat hai. I cannot tease people the way I tease Arshad if I don't love that person. It's just actually teasing someone is affection. This idiot hasn't understood this in the 30 years that I know him. Yeah.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. अर्शद, इंस्टाग्राम पर एक चीज जो आपको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
अभी मैं बोलूंगा, बमन दो चार सुना देगा मेरे को, बट मैं बोल रहा आई एम नॉट वेरी savvy with all this. I don't know how to operate it also.
It's the age. It's the age.
Say it. I knew something was coming out. I'm not very good with all this. So, as Bhavan
okay, said, 1 second. Okay, sorry, I'm going to take over. What are you good at? Say 2-3 things, and what are you good at?
Okay, let me think.
We got the answer. Thank you.
Take me time. Let me think. It's coming. There's something I must be good at. Damn. So I'm okay. You know what I mean? I actually, whenever I see a little bit, I'm more or less trying to check what my son is putting up or something like that. Kya kar raha hai wo? But other than that, I think people are having fun. You should let them have fun.
Yeah.
Everybody does. Karne do ऐश करो यार. One life. Do what you want. It's good.
फैंटास्टिक. मुझे बताइए एक चीज व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स के बारे में जो आपको बेहद परेशान करती है. स्टार्ट नाउ. Boman Irani, go.
Okay, I said I don't hate things. I take my words back. I take my words back. WhatsApp groups were designed for people who said, "Chalo kuch karte hai." WhatsApp groups start karte hai. And then people join, and then people delete, then people join, and then people delete. And everybody has an opinion on everything. And the worst thing about WhatsApp group, I'll say this in all utter seriousness, is people become doctors and experts because they read WhatsApp forwards.
वो लेटेस्ट वाला सुना है कि नहीं कि अजवाइन सूंघने से, हाँ, अजवाइन सूंघने से आपकी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ती है. अर्शद, तुम किसी WhatsApp ग्रुप पे नहीं हो क्या?
Mouth.
Naphthalene balls, ajwain, all that.
I hate. You know why I hate? Because you're putting people's life in danger. Don't become an expert. Don't tell me you know about vaccinations just because you read WhatsApp.
As I said, the beauty about a human being is, and our brain is, you can take what you want and you can dump what you want. So choice is ours. I do that. तो नहीं देखना है, नहीं सुनना है, नहीं सुनते हैं.
Because they know how to click on a link. And they think they are suddenly become intelligent at 80, 81 also. All uncles are sending messages. Hey, पढ़ लो. पढ़ा के नहीं? अरे नहीं पढ़ा मैं. पढ़ लो. I sent it, you didn't reply.
Well, you should send a message back. आपने लिखा है. पता नहीं किसने लिखा है.
Really, I can't.
And you know that unnecessary good morning, have a wonderful day. It isn't bright and sunny outside. अरे रहने दे यार, मुझे भी दिखाई दे रहा है.
Yeah, I'm starting to hate the sun here. The sun, the sun and a swan. A sun and a swan.
जी हाँ.
Flower.
हाँ. सूरज है और उनके साथ एक स्वान है. जी हाँ. Good morning. Alright, the next one. मुझे बताइए सेल्फीज के बारे में क्या ओपिनियन है बमन ईरानी और अरशद वारसी की. सेल्फीज मेरे हिसाब से is an excuse for people to get too close to you. So आपके thoughts?
अगर मुझे कोविड हुआ ना तो सेल्फी की वजह से होगा. By God, was around.
I figured out a way how to take a selfie during pandemic time. Mother, you stand here, I'll stand here. Then you do a little like this and click the picture. इतना distance है. You're facing forward, ना? You're facing इतना distance रखते हो. ऐसा लगता है कि आजू-बाजू में खड़े. वैसे भी मैं बड़ा हूँ. साइज में सही हो जाते हैं. You know,
but बमन ऐसा होता है ना, तो सामने जो फोटो खींचा है ना, वो by default subconscious, I don't think you realize, वो पीछे आके चिपक जाएगा. मतलब बॉस आप क्या स्लोप पे खड़े हो गया और नीचे टायर लगे हुए हैं।
और कमाल का सेल्फी है, सेल्फी लेते हैं फिर बोलते हैं वन मोर, क्यों? मास्क ऑन था। और सबके कान ऐसे निकलते हैं क्योंकि कान के पीछे से सब सेल्फी,
कान मुड़ जाते हैं।
और मैं बताऊं, मैं जैसे अभी गोवा गया था, ठीक है, तो मेरे को ड्राइव करना अच्छा लगता है। वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन, क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट पे बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाए लोगों को बोलना कि यार मत फोटो खींचो यार, इतने सारे लोग हैं, मत, नहीं, प्लीज डोंट। तो मैं ड्राइव करता हूँ, तो बिकॉज उसमें गाड़ी में ड्राइवर और मैं 2 जन है,
ड्राइव करते करते खुद की सेल्फी लेता है,
खुद की लगे। तो इनवेरिएबली यहाँ वहां रुकाता हूँ ना, दिस हैपेंस, एंड देन ओ गॉड, बट इन अ नटशेल आई थिंक पीपल हु टेक सेल्फी, थोड़ा माफ करो यार, एक बार कोरोना जाने दो, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए तो फिर लेते हैं खुश करके, पर अभी मत करो ऐसा, बहुत
I'll tell you, Rohini, I have no problem with selfies. I really don't. कोई आता है ले लो,
it's all fine. इस हालात में ना, it's a bad idea.
I have no
and nobody
problem.
understands that.
Imagine पहला जो सेल्फी लेने वाला जो आता ना, वो बच्चा होता. How can you say no to a child? Take the selfie. Of course, your back breaks bending a little, but that's fine. But once a child takes, and then it's fine. I have no problem.
Fantastic. Screenshots ले सकते हैं अपने अपने फोन पे, या is it tough for you to do? Boman Irani.
I'm okay. Just because I'm younger than Arshad Varsi doesn't mean.
Yeah.
I am no. I learn command shift 3 ऐसे भी ले सकता हूँ, है ना?
क्या बात, command shift 3 and all, this is too good. ये Arshad is looking left.
Not very technically savvy.
और अर्शद, ये सवाल आपके लिए है, अगर कोई खूबसूरत लड़की आपसे कहे कि स्लाइड इनटू माय डीएम्स, तो ये क्या है?
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं।
This is Greek and Latin. आज तक कोई
I have no idea. I think this, what is DM, is a
down market.
No, it's a direct message, right?
Yes, very good.
Thank you. Down market for you, direct message for me. So slide into me is what? Like, please join me into my DM. Okay.
What were you thinking, idiot?
I don't do anything like that.
All right. मुझे बताया, let's go back to LOL हंसी तो फंसे.
Very good idea.
ये तो glitch आ जाएगा.
इतने सारे लोग हैं, but you gotta pick, some of your favorites and tell us why. क्योंकि ये शो जब हम देखेंगे, a few faces, जैसे कि Akash has just burst on with like so much new comedy. तो उनका एक अलग स्टाइल है. So बमन, मैं आपसे शुरू करना चाहूंगी. Someone who you were looking forward to, क्योंकि आपको वो जानते थे, आप उन्हें जानते थे, and someone who surprised you.
रोहिणी, 1 second ना.
जी हाँ.
ये बार-बार तुम बमन से क्यों शुरू करते? क्योंकि उसकी याददाश्त चली जाएगी इसके लिए. हाँ, इतनी उम्र हो गई कि सवाल भूल जाएगा. इसके लिए पहले करते हैं. Just checking, that's it.
Oh my God. Arshad, तुम मुझे फंसाने वाले हो.
No, he's so affection. He said, no, I only make fun of people that I have.
I love.
That's his way of showing me affection. Chal.
Yeah.
Arshad, go for it.
Go, you answer.
No,
can you, Rohini, just repeat the question, please?
Rohini, I'll have to give you a diplomatic answer.
Yeah, go for it.
I'll tell you why. Because it's a little unfair. The crowd is unbelievably talented.
Yeah.
They are really funny. But I think what this show is about is improvisation. Now, who is good at improvising? Who's going to surprise you? It's not a scripted show. So those guys surprised me amazingly. Of course, I'm a huge fan of all the people I was aware of.
Yeah.
He's such a darling. Gaurav is such a darling. Then, of course, there's Cyrus and Suresh. Suresh has got that face you can't mess with.
Yeah.
He's there all the time. Kabhi bald aata hai, kabhi wig ke saath. But the thing is about improvisation and who is going to be quick on his feet.
Yeah.
But you can be a great improviser. You can be very quick on your feet. You can come up with use a prop differently, but you don't have to laugh. That's the trick. What's your focus like? Kamal tha actually. They did some wonderful stuff. Arshad, before you forget the question.
Yeah, I mean, for us to honestly choose one person is 2 things. Not right, it's not fair, and it will be a lie. Because I'm not kidding, during the course of the show, okay, we felt that ye thoda down ho raha hai. Suddenly, that guy would do something that we would be like, "Arey, ye kahan se aaya?"
हाँ.
So there was like, so these, all of them have tremendous ability and they are very good at their craft. And they all were nicely geared के मैं इतने टाइम, they're all strategized it all. क्या मैं यहाँ तक ये करूँगा, 1 घंटे के बाद I'm going to do this, 1.5 घंटे बाद. So it was a shocker for us. And yes, it's hard to say, hard to pick one. They are
No, it
all,
is
they
easier.
all had their moments which were outstanding.
No, it's easier if you ask me who is the better host. I
Yeah.
can give you an answer very
Yeah.
easily.
I
Very
can
easy.
understand. Yeah,
Being fair and fair, I don't give a
guy's-
damn.
that
Both
guy's
those-
not hosting the show, but we both are here.
Yeah, all right.
You know, there's got to be something said to the fact that एक ऐसे समय में ये शो आ रहा है जहां पर लोगों को हंसने की जरूरत है. You know, ये बहुत बहुत लोगों को हंसने की जरूरत है और उस टाइम पर आप कह रहे हैं कि हंसे तो फंसे. तो let's contextualize this a little bit. Vaman, आप ही से शुरू करूंगी मैं फिर से.
First, I'm going to
I
tell you.
understand.
One sec, Arshad. You said contextual. Arshad, contextualize means dictionary meaning. I'm just saying in case he'll say what is
Say it fast.
Contextualize. Matlab giving it context.
Oh, I knew this.
You knew this.
I knew this.
हालात को मद्देनजर रखते हुए.
हाँ, लेकिन आप ये नहीं समझ पा रहे. You know, Rohini, I don't think what we are missing is that it is the contestants who cannot laugh. Audience,
Yeah.
हमें तो allowed है, हमें तो ticket है. अर्शद और मैं पागल हो गए, हंस के पेट खराब. We were tightened in the gut, you know. And the audience is sitting at home. There's no rule against them. There is no camera on them.
नहीं, मेरे हिसाब से शो का ट्रेलर अभी अभी लॉन्च हुआ, मैंने देखा. I didn't expect it, and more importantly, अगर घर में फंसना ही है ऐसे लोगों के साथ तो यही लोग हो तो बेहतर है. And there's something to say कि पिछले 1 साल में हमने ये रियलाइज किया अपने अपने घरों में रह के कि we are all comedians यार. मतलब हम actually वक्त नहीं बिताते एक दूसरे के साथ. And
Maria might disagree with you, but it's okay.
अच्छा,
Maria might disagree that everybody is a comedian.
बोलिए ना.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, तुम सिर्फ मेरे से बात करो, ममन को भूल जाओ. तुमको अच्छा इंटरव्यू चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? हाँ,
चाहिए.
मेरे
अच्छा,
से
तो
बात.
अर्शद मैं तुमसे पूछना चाहूंगी इस सवाल के बारे में कि पिछले 1 साल में, ओके, व्हाट हैव यू रियलाइज्ड अबाउट योर ओन हाउस? उस घर में बंद रह के सबसे फनी इंसान कौन है आपके घर में?
अरे बाप रे. एक तो पहली बात तो ये कि मैं घर में बहुत रहता हूँ. मैं सच बता रहा हूँ. मतलब काम करके then I prefer staying at home. I don't like going out. I'm like I love my house and I love my kids. I love to hang with them. So मेरे लिए वो हमेशा होता है. Lockdown was an extended version of that. But I think मेरे family में my daughter is very funny. She's got a great sense of humor. And my son does the cutest thing that make me laugh. But Zene actually is very funny. Like she actually, she gave me a birthday card yesterday.
हाँ जी.
जहाँ पे, Bhavan, I'll send it to you. You got to read it. She actually praised herself on my birthday, saying that on the 2nd of May, which is her birthday, you brought a star into this world.
The best thing you've done.
It's like that.
Oh
That's
my
what
God! तेरे पे गई है यार, खुद की तारीफ करती है. तेरे पे गई.
Unbelievable.
Amazing.
And then in the end, she'd say, I brought you up well. Me. So, yes. So I think Miriam, I realized Zene is the funniest one.
Oh God. Vaman, आपके घर में?
I think Zenobia is the funniest one,
Yeah.
but she doesn't know it.
That's so hard.
That's what Arshad. She thinks she's serious about certain things.
Serious.
अरे वो जब ऑर्डर करती है ना फोन पे, अरे
She's like a Bhavan, she's like a bad serious film.
bad serious film.
I know those.
Kunal Vijayekar was sitting there once, you know
Yeah.
Kunal Patty, हाँ.
जी.
तो हेलो, हाँ, चिकन वाला 6 किलो चिकन भेजो. हाँ, कुणाल, you're coming tomorrow? कुणाल ने मना किया. अच्छा, खाली 3 किलो चिकन भेजो. Serious, huh? She's not joking.
I love this.
I just want to say that I'm really lucky that I've been one of those people जिनको आज ये आधा घंटा मिला आपके साथ. Tears in my eyes because you made me laugh. And honestly, if you can make someone laugh in this time, God bless you, man. So God bless you, Boman Irani.
Thank you.
And God bless you, Arshad Varsi.
Thank
Because
you so
beyond
much.
just the promotional, that's what you bring to our lives. And इसीलिए हम देखेंगे LOL हंसे तो फंसे Amazon Prime पर बहुत ही जल्द. My name is Rohini. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Rohini. Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you.
So sweet of you. Thank you.